Genius Kids. Cultivating love for learning.
Matter. Knowledge acquisition. In this chapter, we will study about solid, liquid and gas. The properties of solids, liquids and gases. Substances that can change from one state to another. Everything around us is made up of matter. Matter is something that has weight and takes up space. Things around us may be solid, liquid and gases. We use many solid matters in our life. Pieces of wood, glass and ice are examples of solids. Water, oil, kerosene and petrol are liquids. The air around us, cooking gas, the CNG used in automobiles are examples of gases. Matter can be visible or invisible as pen or air. Matter is made of very tiny particles called molecules. It cannot be seen by the naked eye. They can be seen only under the microscope. Different substances have different molecules. Molecules of matter are constantly moving. States of matter. Matter exists in 3 states or forms. They are solid, liquid and gas. Different materials are grouped under different states on the basis of their qualities. 1. Solid. Anything that has a fixed shape and size is called a solid. Touch your table. It is solid. It is hard because the molecules in solids attract one another very strongly. The molecules of solid cannot move about freely. Table, chair, pencil, etc. are all solids. Solid cannot flow. 2. Liquid. Liquids do not have a fixed shape and size, but has a fixed volume. Take a cup of milk and pour it in your hand. You cannot hold the liquid in your hands. It can pour into a glass. Similarly, water and oil also do not have fixed shape because molecules in liquid are less closely packed. The molecules of liquids do not attract each other strongly. The molecules of liquid can move about but little. Liquids flow from a higher level to a lower level. Liquids can flow because of greater space between the molecules. It can be poured in any container. It takes the shape of the container it is poured in. 3. Gas. Gases do not have fixed shape, size or volume. Try to holding the smoke of dhupbatti. You cannot hold the smoke of a lighted dhupbatti in your hand because gas cannot be held in hands. In gas, the molecules are far away from one another. They can move about freely because the force holding the molecules together are very weak. Gas can easily flow in all directions. Some can be seen. We can feel them and even smell some of them. The oxygen you breathe in and the carbon dioxide you breathe out are gases. Changes of state. States of matter can be changed into one another by heating or cooling. For example, water exists as solid, liquid and gas. We can change water from one form to another. Take some pieces of ice and put them out in the open. They melt after some time and change into liquid form. Now, heat this water. It will be changed into water vapor in gas form. Changes of states of water. In solid state, water exists in the form of ice, snow and frost. In liquid state, water exists as water only. Steam is the gaseous state of water. The process of change of a solid, ice, into liquid, water, is called melting. The process of change of a liquid, water, into solid, ice, is called freezing. The process of change of a liquid, water, to gas, steam, is called evaporation. The process of change of a gas, steam, into liquid, water, is called condensation. Continuous review. Anything which has mass and occupies space is called matter. Matter is made of very tiny particles called molecules. Matter exists in 3 states or forms: solid, liquid, and gas. Anything that has a fixed shape and size is called solid. Anything that does not have a fixed shape and size but has fixed volume is called liquid. Anything that does not have fixed shape, size, and volume is called gas. States of matter can be changed into one another by heating or cooling.
Like, share, and subscribe.